Okay guys, this is a 2021 Honda Odyssey Touring. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. It's a rebuilt title. Damage was right here. Basically taken off the wheel and a little suspension work, but pretty minor up here. Mostly suspension. I think a roof airbag blew. You can see where they had done the repair. Pearl white paint, front wheel drive, touring. Let's see the tires. Start it up here for you. About 33,248 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. It's got heated seats. Blu-ray, it's got the DVD. All your different power sources. Oh, Apple CarPlay. Navigation does have this cabin watch, which I think is really nice. Basically, it's a camera that shows your kids in the back. Very useful. Navigation. Apple CarPlay. The rear entertainment. Android. Backup cameras.
Just relax and enjoy. Mountain America Expo Center standing. Friday, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Does have the sunroof.
Free parking, free delivery. Mountain America Expo Center standing. Call 833-SPA-SALE.
Here's your key, remote start. Open up your side doors, power sliding doors.
But you got weeds.
So there's your power sliding doors.
Secret weapon.
This is road heart mitigation, so a lot of different stuff. Pre-collision. Got a brake hold here. Your power windows, power mirrors, memory seats, power seats. Look at that seat, super clean.
We're earning unlimited 3% cash back.
Here's your VIN number.
Capital One Saver Card. So let's just get one.
This is a 8-passenger van, so I think the center seat can be removed, so you can use it as captain's chairs if you want. These rear seats sit up; they're in a reclined position right now, but get a good look at that side. Again, damage was right through here. See, it's all fixed up. Some scraping on some of these wheels. Power lift gate. Power sources, headphone connection, and there's that DVD player. It is playing a movie right now. Pearl white and black interior. Best color to sell, most wanted color. bunch of connections here. We've got video games. Got your rear air control here. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.